Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Ngibhalela sotho Kagiso ngizombika manje Kagiso ngibhalela or awushozi berithulele go this event nal my friends. So Masfell event but kumnandi ngimbi serious kumnandi isajiva or ke ngiraphithizela umunandi. Or how awushozi this other guy vele athi kimi how are you? Ngilobana angibulisi uthi hayi ngibele and nga respond ngathi hi I'm fine and how are you or ke wena olubona khona ngibona gore ke wena mhlahasi ke wena kajeni like angeke angisile umntomazana le angisile ke eligeli eliqoka ama week eliqoka ini to show ukuthi ngigay uthi I'm that simple gay guy mara khona ubona ka the hand gestures gore ke bila ke motho mo jwa bona utype ukuthi vela ngibulise ngivume vele sidlule yabona hayi kube event kuyaphithizela uthi phone yami ikhali so ngiyagijima ngimove away from music ngiyala ngathi kuthule khona ukuzwa iphone call umuntu ongifonelile uthi mangilapho so the guy uyangilandela sebona uyangimela ngikhuluma ngefone ngiyacela uthi nami sengiyaqala ukuthi ngibajump because umuntu solo ungimela and mind you this person mina ngimazi hayi mangicela ukukhuluma ngefone kube ukuthi umuntu uthi kimi hi how are you my name is Manzutubani Jack Mawaso. Yeah, my name Lena like Kenna Jack. So I would love to chat with you kancane just khulume yabona. So uThuka was like ish sisejwaleni and sewuqala ukuba late nyane ngilobona uthi and phela thina sibantu lapho ukuthi sathaketiwe especially ama street guys because of they want to nokubeza us and yabona basiprovele point ukuthi windoda awusuyintomazana yabona things like that fanele ukuthi mawuphuma oditlhokomele so uthi ngimtshela ukuthi I know man ngimo eventing and I just want to have fun if userious ufuna ukukhuluma nami you want to get to know me better and stuff like that isn't to show you let me give you my office number uzongifonela yabona uthi hayi ngimuphi office number yami asithathe vele a story phone uthi okay athi okay uthi ngimvalise ngithi hayi enjoy your evening yabona ngihambe mina sharp no problem uthi hayi mina ngicontinue vele kilele go khona with my friends jiving baxoxa ukuthi hayi man ngibe ne interaction with this guy ngibapointele ngekhanda or guy ule wapering in osibanga yabona hayi uKagiso uthi the mong jive like ungibhekile uthi mangijika like we are looking eyes uthi ngibe feel ukuthi as much as angaba interested in me but ngifila ngathi kuyangithageta kilobona uthi ngitshela my friends ukuthi angisa feel comfortable la rather sihambeni sizobuya sharp ube ukuhamba kwethu kanjalo ke uthi hayi sihambe kube Sunday ngizilalele mina cause ngithole skipabalazi kirobale the whole day uthi Monday morning ngifike senze uthi ngene 7 to 4 mina la ngisebenza khona uthi Monday morning around 7 phone yakhala office la manye answera is the guy uJack hi it's Jack sihlangane Saturday in and you said I can call you this number in Pola I was that guy ngakhuluma nawe ucela ukukhuluma ne phone call in uthi vele azichaze uthi hayi ngithi you know I remember you how are you I am fine yazi bengicabanga like the whole day yesterday so beselenze khali ukuthi manje ishaya nini sizokhona ukukhuluma yabona athi hayi uKagiso athi you know what it's still early in the morning and fanele attend ama meetings is it possible for you to call me around 1 or 12 between 12 and 1 singakhona ukukhuluma ke hayi bathu guy vele avumoje kathi okay ngizokufonela around 12:15 sharp uthi hayi ngichwe ngelanga lapho or ke sikamonga serious kilobona like those type of guys ukuthi ungabathathi serious ukuthi ba serious into bekhuluma because of akim profile like he's not my type yabona if singathi siyajola uthi okay sharp hayi ilanga lihambe around 20 past ifone ikhale uJack futhi Jack persistent phela Jack uyafuna hi how are you uJack okay Jack ubanke sharp guy he has like interested ku I just want to talk to you uyankhatla we thinking everything about you uyankhatla so is it possible for us to meet after work if you feel comfortable because you told me ukuthi leso sikhathi bengikwenza ukuthi you feel uncomfortable so ulona uKagiso was like okay we can meet but not today tomorrow okay I send it tomorrow okay baby ilanga tomorrow go to uthi ulo ambuza ukuthi are you driving or are you ubering or ubirikisa Gautrain before baseta out ila bahlangana khona uJack athi mina I'm driving and then uKagiso okay I'm also driving so we can meet up with the spot go guy go restaurant thing tomorrow after work around 5 around 5 fish. Okay, bayazwana bonke kube agreement uthi hayi ngicontinue ngelanga lami ngitshele one of my friends ukuthi oh this guy was Saturday umfonelile, so we are going to meet up ku restaurant ngesikhathi so on Tuesday the following day. Okay, sharp. Uthi hayi mangifike office around 8 yangifonela uJack, hi Robert Sejwange, I was thinking about you, I can't wait to see you in those things. So ugirl sizothi ugirl ukaGiso man ngikungena kajikho ugirl. Okay, I was like, okay, I angisharp nami ngicabangile ngawe beside ukuthi kahle kahle ungiphathele ini engangenza ukuthi ufuna ukungibona like so urgently yabona. Okay, I was like, no, be patient, hlabonana he. Hayi ilanga liqhubeke isikhathi sokushayisa sifike uKagisa ngene emotweni drive to the location lapho ukuthi bahlangane khona, the same as uJack naye adrivele to the location lapho ukuthi bahlangane khona. Time vele mangifika ngithole vele already uJack ufikile ku location uhleli uthi mangithi clubs vele ngiyamona waberichino efana nale bota ikhale njani efana nale bota ya okay no try ayinangazi mara nengihleli nyangazi ugqoke ichino ugqoke iwhite shirt uthi abuti wa very smart abuti uyambona ukuthi uyazithanda uthi nambele bengize ngiziprepareile because bengazi ukuthi after work ni date so lena ngizihlanganisile wona uthi mangivela vele uJack aphakame vele kuba umuntu ukuthi uyangihaka uthi abuti ungamonade even though it's after 5 p.m. in the afternoon but unga fresh abona uthi hayi vele ngihlala. One thing you notice ngayi appearance nokuthi wakamnandi uthi hayi asizoze sihlale umuntu kube get to know each other sikhulume enakejeke bambambangi ngigega ngiyaleka I'm interested ukudate nama gays, but my problem is my family. Mina ngivela from a Christian background, so abafuni ukuzwa anything about ama gays, so I had to hide this thing ukuthi vele mina ngidala namadoda. So if you want to be in my life you should know ukuthi mina ngizofika ngizokufihla ngicela ufihleke. I won't be taking pictures, the video calls or whatsoever, but you should know what I'm interested in doing. Ngiyakuthanda, so ngifuna ukuthi ngibe open and honest sisaqala. Kagisa was like, oh okay, uKagisa or you know awusoze olengwana kajengwana kamhlahasi kulona like so sijwayele ukuthi izinto eziso like isiphila nazo kanjani because of usually our date ama after 9, so ukuthi umuntu akufihla but ebushuwa utsiba ubona uthi ngabe nenkinga because like he told me ukuthi you know what family in Christianity and stuff like that, so ngabe nenkinga akuthonela ukho after 9 la ubale msado ubona ungabe ne problem ngithi mina it's fine, mina when you lead mina I'll follow, angeke ngize ngiyujumpisele izinto eziningi. So whenever you feel comfortable you will tell me, we can meet and stuff like that. I don't have a problem. Uthi kube ukuthi vele awusoze that day rebe sesiyathandana uthi sharp siphuza ama drinks ngimbuzo do you have a child? No, I don't have a child. Have you slept with TikTok izoyenza ibarke ulele nomuntu bengafuni ukukhuluma amagama English hayazi ama video lawa la kwala nomuntu sifazane no azange, so like your whole life ube uthi ubatla batla shimali uthavuma uthi okay amtshela ukuthi nami vele azange ngi-experiment that thing awubale wanyana, the only thing batla ngikemona ubona okay shabai kuzwane kanjani sekuyathandaniwa. So uKagisa was like mina ngizozwa wena ukuthi uthini from now on, but you should know ukuthi if uya endlini ngeke ngisakufonela juthu ukuthi abazali ngifuna ukuthi baze bakhethe sisaqala. Hayi kube kanjalo vela manje ukuthi ngifonele mangisendlini ngizokufonela, but most of the time I'll call you mangisebenzini ila ngifree khona ngine free space sami. Okay sharp, mind you uJack una 36 years old uthi uhlala nabazali, uKagisa uhlala ayi1 eflatini go apartment thing, so kushuthi meaning ukuthi uguy usadula le family, so ana freedom awunor akatla bona uJack uyangakhona ukuzazobona ubani uKagisa endaweni yakhe. Okay sharp. Hayi uKagisa uthi isikhathi masihamba ngijolo vele ube on point, sijole kube ukuthi vele uJack umuntu vele uthanda ukukhipha nama out the restaurant dates and stuff like that, body picnic ka weekends, uthi uJack vele uthi like ube umuntu like angipha everything that I wanted in a guy. yabona uthi but that thing ya hore because of I'm a gay guy can I lead that expectation or can I room for disappointment because of lamadoda vele disappoint uthi ngibe ngabi 100% free no guy but no guy like most of the time ube motho ngakho ngoretswere ko guy uthi ngimtshele uJack ngithi you know what I've got this rule engiranayo mina if I'm in a relationship. First thing ra go clinicing re thoma mina ukuthi kumunone babheka ukuthi ba right na health wise uthi number 2 mina nomuntu before sizo data cylinders before re ya go yena uthe go draw what or go geography mina ukuthi abaya enkonzweni sekamareni uthi uma phe rule 3 months 90 days rule singayenze next up until ngibone ukuthi like junior le ukahle kahle uyangithanda ufuna mina you don't want sibono sakho uthi uJack angaphikisani na anything bahambe baye clinic bahambe ba test day when with STIs in malwetsi stuff like that ukuthi bonke batle okay sharp baya data baya keep ama dates and stuff like that baya kuma concert gore baya go the event thing together but abathatha ama picture. The rule is we don't take pictures and asibi all touchy masi are good eventing because we don't want ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi mina nawe we are an item bangagcina baze bashute end up esikuba kuma social media sharp uthi kube mnandi uthi siyahamba siyazikhipha stuff like that uthi kube nokuthi emsebenzini kaJack baba na this seminar ukuthi be down Cape Town so for Monday to Friday for 5 days so uthi yangicela ke uthi ngicela ukuthi sihambe siko utsamele nako kina seminar komsebenzini for a week so is it possible ungahamba nami ngacontact leave emsebenzini nakho nasizohamba hayi ugela uthi hayi ngithi say no more and bekusele vele ku towards le 90 days ukuthi yaphela AboJack was like plus ikaba our first time go Cape Town since umntafasi obona uthi sure ayi uthi ngicela umsebenzi bangipha amalanga kube ukuthi isikhathi seseminar siyafika fly down to Cape Town or I was choosy I don't want to lie everything was nice be all nice uthi the trip yona itself it was nice we reached the outing senza singalali sema clubini until the night last said ukuthi tonight is the night is the night what I was choosing must figure laphayana yey uthi uJack umuntu ukuthi bengasi first time nomuntu ofana nami onal experience whatever or so uthi ke di engele uyizikingi mohona di speed hampo uflowa jwang or wait everything ekamareni it was perfect uthi kwabe uqala ukuthi lapho sisiba na real connection ke ukuthi manje sisathandana full force abantu ukuthi umuntu angifonela sisa video callana asakhona hlukana uhlala ika ku black enyaka sengimintroduce kwanganeni bami vele siphila si together weekend uyeza vele endlini in isahlala uthi vele kube yi full force relationship uthi kwenzeke ukuthi siyaphuma ke siyakhana abantwana baphumile eliso sho ngikhohle ukuthi kugolo kana abantwana bayabhala baphuma eli sharp kan bengiza kuphi things uthi the relationship was in full force beba like no whole hot abakhona uhlukana but uJack akalali kaGagiso uza emini I spend the whole day imalanga malishona ehamba due to the family kia book resting so they don't believe ukuthi indoda can date another man stuff like that yabona uthi ungabi nenkinga or kisaba leputhatha I know makashayisa sahlangana or uza kimi endlini nge weekend uyeza spend maybe the whole day ahame ngabo 5-6 stuff like that come in yabona uthi I didn't have a problem nga anything lenzakalayo like concerning family yakhe and stuff like that uthi bekisina leputhatha and I know with Sundays we don't talk because we sontweni we spend the whole day with the family kanjalo uthi one day I was just uthi sihambe sizikhiphe siphuze retahwe konhluma bona uthi masendleni kuba ukuthi athi you know what baby asisirecord senzo umtavazo uthi sizirecord wabona uthi sizirecord but angitshela ukuthi na iphone yakhe akayifoni due to ama family beliefs okay sharp isi-recording ifoni yami. So but the other time masihleli so athi let me watch the video ngiqala ukuthi ngithumele na WhatsApp ngifuna ukuzibona yabona cause yena azange ayibone leso sikhathi uthi vele ube ukuthi ngiyamthumela uthi ngiphume mina endabeni nevideo isikhathi sihambe uthi I'll show you the other day me and my friend sihamba siya e-mall uthi ubone this shoe ku this certain shop e-mall. I can't mention the mall ke uthi sibone lapho so asitholakala usitholakala kuleyo mall uthi mina nayo leyo langa it was Saturday morning asingakhulumanga so the friend was like Chomi ngicela ukuthi ungikhaphe sobheka lesicathulo before ziphela ama size uthi hayi ngingene emotweni mina noChomi sihambe semolweni uthi uyabona like a shop so ngisho babeka icathulo like this kuba na this little benches le hlala khona mafuna ufita isicathulo uthi mina ngihleli lapho I'm busy browsing like ku Instagram and stuff like that the friend ubusy ngesicathulo ikhuluma nalabantu abamncedana uthi ngizwe like sithego samothwaka the laugh umuntu wami ngapha uthi the shop is not like a big shop it's just a smaller shop ethengisa icathulo kuphela yabona uthi ngajikisa ikhanda mangijikisa ikhanda mangithi clubs uJack uthi uJack bagcoke ibaby blue uJack ugceke ibaby blue la like ibruku ne shirt linen white the lady ugqoke idress linen white bahamba nomntwana ugqoke pink dress or I will never forget leyo image yabona uthi the lady ubambe uJack ngesandla so uthi mangijika ngimbheka uJack was like uyangisignalele ukuthi don't react or awushozi azange batla huwa anything uthi the friend angisho beka busy nale shop assistant ebanceda icathulo uthi makathi uyajika ulo uthi estolo bekuyithi na the friend and then laba bayangena and then bekunomunye umama la umama umdala uhamba nabantwana so uthi friend wajika makathi was like Chomi moto how ashu ubona so ukubona like the moment ajika nalaba bayangena eminyango and bahleli towards yabona uthi the lady was like yabona kusho like wa frown ukuthi moto how meaning ukuthi mothwaka yabona so uthi lo athi wena Jack kanti unomfazi yabona the friend what I shows the friend makaqala akhuluma lezo mina ngavele ngaphakama vele masinya ngasigijimela ngazile parking ngasidlalela emotweni cause bekile so shocked ukuthi this person almost 9 months yonke azange nje azangitshela ngomfazi nomntwana or girlfriend nakitse ba khole family elengi yama Kriste basabatleng anything to hear about Rena bona uthi ngahlala emotweni ngaba so shocked onoli Saturday shocked uthi friend vele makafika ngathi ngana lecathulo bekathi usithenga ukwatile ukhethi so uyajwayela uthi Jack unomfazi bawazi ukuthi unomfazi kusho uthi Jack after 9 in yabona the friend vele bekakwatile uthi ngavele ngathi Chomi ngiyacela asiyeke or also like something in me yafalelo langa ukuthi I've trusted this person ngamtshela izinto zami personal I showed him izinto zami personal ngaze ngamkhombisa nabasekithi my friends bayamazi my colleagues wami bayamazi as umuntu wami only to find out ukuthi umuntu gore ke borotho ba bikara engukulo bona ngoba sekungena indaba ukuthi abantu ke borotho yabona uthi sharp or I was just like kube Sunday kube Saturday the whole thing sethu uzongifonela ngichazele tu uthi ngizwe ngathi ngiyagula uthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngimfonele but pride yaka ehani no don't call him wait for him to call you come and then azela akrola azokucela iqolo abona uri Sunday ishape motho wafoni uri awushozi ngizwe ngathi inhliziyo yami isukela ibethela uthi ikulobona like uqwa ufisa utonya uthi into bengifila the whole time. Hi uyasho ke ukaghiso awushozi Monday morning angizele emsebenzini uthi mangifike emsebenzini uguy first thing ayenzayo mangifike emsebenzini angibonele can I please talk to you I know into ibonile ibe shock kuwe but I didn't know how to tell you so is it possible for me singahlangana around lunch time yakho because I cannot wait until uzoshayisa. Okay, so I was like, so if you are married and when you played my feelings so I'm the whole time. So guys was like, no, can you please meet this at least we have one. Okay, sharp, but you vele avume. It's okay. singeza ngathatha i-half day ngishayise beside I'm not feeling okay. So kanti I was like, okay, now I can take i-half day sizobonana ke sizahlangana kwakho. Sharp kaGiso vele avume or awushoze masifika kwami umuntu ovele ngitshela ukuthi yena ushadile and una almost close to 10 years ashadile. But then uyenzele abazali because of abazali they didn't want to understand indaba yakhe ukuthi yena uthanda abafana, so uyenze everything for abazali. So uyayisola ukuthi asangabe honest from the onset, so the whole time nekatshontsha isikhathi sasendlini ukuthi abe nami. So yena kahle kahle impilo ayifunayo, but if ever usaba ukuthi uzoba rejected by abazali, and mind you ngihlala kwami engihlala kithi, so konke bengokufihlela kona, but kaGiso rata kopelo sore sa ntlogela if nganyega nyoba yini, because I found happiness kuwe and ulighter like the light in dimile like inside me gekena le wena. So the leading naye, but I love you and mina no lady I see most of the time because of ngikremo wena. So ngicela ukuthi ungiqolele, ngiyakuthanda. What I shows it lerato while it's bantu ba renkela rato le tla o dira style usistyle uthi yey ay kube yimi ke ukuthi nina sengiyavuma sengiyamqolela just like that because of mshimano thing and re to and ke montshere and awona batho and rena le privacy. So how about the obon uthi hay kube iloko ke ukuthi si yabona or harili busy risizwe emnyango vele kuyanokha emnyango kuyanokha uthi emnyango kuyanokha uthi hayi ngiyavele ngiyavuka ngiqoka igown nami ugayi kusempedeni ngiqoka igown ngifuna ubona ukuthi ubani, because obviously abantu abaningi engibaziyo bangazi ngisemsebenzini yabona. Hayi uthi vele ngiphakame vele ngiqoke igown yabona, ngcoke igown hambe ngiyovula umnyango. Uthi mangivula umnyango security la mind you la ngihlala khona ama apartments ungena ngomuntu awukhona ungena, and if ever there's someone ongifunayo phela ukuthi mangifonele or i-security zozonke ukuthi there is someone at the gate uyangifuna and stuff like that. Security ithi ayi kunomuntu okufunayo and uthi i-agent indaba yakhona there is this person bamfunayo lana and bathi usekuwe yabona. Uthi ngibe surprised ukuthi hayi I don't think ukuthi mina khona umuntu ongaziyo la. Uthi ngehle nabo still wearing the gown, ngehle nabo ngathi uthi ema ngihle nani ngibona ukuthi ubani usegate. Uthi mangisegate umunye usisi mina ngimazi usisi kilobona. Uthi ngicanga ukuthi marana is it the wife or what yabona. Uthi umunye usisi amanye emoto uthi usisi athi kimi bengicela ukuthi uvule sikhulume kahle as abantu abadala ngicela ukukhuluma nawe yabona. Uthi hayi vele ngibatshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi nimfake yabona. Athi ngicela ukuthi sihlale phansi sikhuluma, I've got something to share with you and it's very personal concerning umuntu odithana naye. Uthi ngithi clubs umuntu engidithana phela usendlini, so ubani lo yabona. What I was choosing angawubotsoro ngayana order is the lady engimbone istolo, but mina because of nikile shocked king concentrate on my boyfriend I didn't capture ubuso bakasisi. Usisi was like I know you true even ngibonile efonini umyeni wami. I searched you, ngisearch number yakho esemsebenzini yaze yangazi ukuthi ngisebenza kuphi ngaya, and then I went to the reception lady emsebenzini yakho ngajela ngabatshela ukuthi I'm your sister in umzala and stuff like that. They had to uthi bangiphi personal number yakho. I tried calling you but you didn't answer the phone, so I had to track my husband's car because of ngibonile ukuthi kuma apartments and knowing ukuthi if kuma apartments ila when ukhona khona. Uthi vele amlele out story, uthi vele amtshela uthi usisibeka ngalo ngitshela ukuthi you know what, I don't want to fight you because I was so wrong. I know ukuthi umuntu wami ukutshela manga, but mina with this person sishadile ngiyamthanda, he's my husband and I don't want to lose into esinayo mina naye. So please ngicela ukuthi umtshele aphume lapho kwakho ahambe ayendlini and tell him ukuthi I'm outside, so sizokhona ukuhamba as husband and wife. Uthi ahlale emotweni usisi angahliki. Uthi ngibe ukuthi okay sharp because we are not fighting and uzela uzokhuluma nami kahle, so let me go and tell your husband ukuthi aphume ku apartment yami uzakuthola lana yabona. Uthi ngihambe vele nami ngize ukuthi you know what ngiyana approach le manner of approach be right. So what's the use of me ukuthi ngizolwana le ntombazana le, because at the end of the day mina I'm a man. If singathi sashayana mina ngoba sinkingeni hayi uthi ngibiyele vele ku Jack umfazi wakho ukutrackile utrack imoto uthi azoyilana ukhulume nami uyebe kuma security uthi ngitshela ukuthi ucela ukuthi uphume ngihambe nendlela. Jack was like akemo akemo akajiki ubani thize la akajiki ngizoza endlini ngesikhathi sami sokushayisa. So all awushozi kisathi hore kibwele kisethe message or ngihlale athekela lo muntu lo wahlale ngaphandle kanti yini ngawo yabona uthi nje ukuthi you know what Jack angifuni ukuthi umfazi wakho azongifakela amehlo abantu la ngihlala khona la abantu bangirespecta khona. So please my guy gcoka impahla zakho uhambe uzothi izindaba zakho zasendlini uzothi mawusodile wabuya kimi uthi okay uJack kube ukuthi umuntu vele uyaqhoqa uyahamba yangicabuza bye and I'm sorry for causing qala khona ubuphilo ngibahaho uJack ahambe. Uthi the following day nakidela kummerkong uthi mangifika emsebenzini mfazi kaJack angenzele drama emsebenzini ufike wathini ukuthi Jack ufike endlini yezalwa Jack kwangishaya in things like uthi ko receptionist ekommerkong bekangimele khona ku reception area excuse me bekangimele lapho uthi kube umuntu uvele uyarasa uthi ngimtshela ukuthi you know what la working environment yami and I need to be professional by all means. So ngicela ukuthi uhambe izinto zakho personal asizikhulume after hours cause personal things angeke sizilethela emsebenzini. Uthi vele ngifone uJack nje ukuthi ukhole wife into order cause now ngasikhona this thing rather siqede. What I was choosing mangisahleli umfazi kaJack angithumele i-message i-video yale ndaba zosawenza lesikhathi video sazi DVD uthi angithumele athi if ever you don't leave my husband just know ukuthi this thing itlabekile all over social media by the end of the day. So please call him and end things naye because angeke ngivuma ukuthi indoda imthathele indoda yami. What I was choosing ngaqhaqhazela thinking ukuthi abazali bami bayobona my family, my friends, my work colleagues everything. Uthi ngifonela uJack ngithi Jack ake sayibhatla this thing please umfazi wakho unele video bonke wena uzoyifihla ngeke azayibone unayo so uyangithreatenisha uthi ngimscreenshotele le conversation ngithumele uJack. But I was choosing ngibe ukuthi angisakhona concentrate emsebenzini ngicela ujika vele uthi ngihambe ngendlini uthi mangifika endlini uJack nangu usegedini wa security angitshela ukuthi umuntu wakho usegedini senze njani sengivulele singamvulele ngithi ukuthi ngimvulele thinking ukuthi ngizoyiceda face to face this thing. What I was choosing uJack afike axolise athi narada a divorce umusadi haye rada am divorce ibe officially ngahamba introduce ikibo and abatshele kibo ukuthi uthanda mina they need to accept it or yena uzoba cut off. Kube ukuthi vele uyakhala ugucela pha ngamadolo nake sayibhatla this fake life engiphilayo for i-community for abantu basebandleni angisayifoni I want you please ngicela ukuthi ungangiyeki. So I was just kungolela so because of this man uthi ufuna divorce umfazi wakhe for mina. So I don't know what to do but I feel like I don't want to destroy umshado omunye umuntu. Angifuni ukuthi destroy la ntombazana because of une video yami angayilika to any social media platforms. So bengicela ukubuza kini abantu ama followers kaSisjuzi or Getse Jwang, should I leave this guy or ngimyekele ukuthi asort out impilo yakhe without me being in impilo yakhe or ngimuphi break ukuthi asort out impilo yakhe thinking ukuthi mina nayo izinto zethuba right. Akitse or Getse Jwang but I love the guy lo bhudulo ungiphe impilo ezange ngayibona like the love the attention angipha yona nokuthi uyangithanda he might have lied kwamanye amaphathi empilo yakhe but ukuthi uyangithanda ungikhombisile. So akitse or Getse Jwang, should I fight this battle or ngithreatenise usisi ukuthi if ever ngalikha le video lena ngizombambisa legally Getse legal way or should I just cut off uJack nomfazi wakhe endlekeni nomndeni wakhe ngicale kabushe epitchini clean. Akitse or Getse Jwang, please ngicela ningincede give me ama advice ukuthi ngenze njani. Mina shama ngina advice because this is your life. Robona la rahola how on social media.